Hello again. In this video, I'm going to discuss the last evaluation criteria, which is grammatical range and accuracy. And as the criteria itself manifests, it requires the range of grammatical devices to be used with accuracy, right? Right. So let's try to see what exactly the official band scripture says. Use a variety of complex structures and sentences. This is what he's saying, right? So I think it's clear. Range of sentences, type and word order, but use some simple, right? So may not use some simple sentences. That's fine. Um, so what exactly it means? That always use combination of two sentences. If you know conditional sentences, perhaps that is an example of complex structures, right? And variety, when they say that, means use different types. So we are going to discuss that in details because that's important. There are some videos dedicated especially for this discuss or address this particular issue, right? But keep in mind that you have to write variety of complex structures and sentences. Reduce frequent error-free sentences. Again, too obvious. You should avoid making mistakes in grammar. Again, I have discussed it through some popular or general mistakes made by the IELTS test takers in this module. And have good control of grammar and punctuation. So punctuation, you know, that the way you'll use your commas, colons, capital letters, small letters. Again, it has been covered in detail in our coming lessons. So, I mean, it's very clear that you have to write accurate grammar and you have to show the variety of grammatical devices that you can use, right? Okay, that's all from this particular evaluation criteria. Thank you very much for watching. See you very soon in the next video. Bye.